Hi, I'm James the Light Guy, and today we're doing something special for my brother-in-law. We're replacing his old reflector-type housings on his car with a new set of aftermarket projectors with upgraded LED bulbs. Let's get to it. Alright, popping open his hood. His headlights are super easy. They are just held in with a couple of fasteners. You can either use the 6-point star, or we're just going to use a standard flathead screwdriver to rip these things out. So let's grab one of those. Less cooperative, there it goes. Nice and easy. Let's grab one of the new housings to take a look. Alright, taking a look at both the housings, you can see we're upgrading the design from the low beam, being a reflector housing here, to a nice new projector. On the back of the housings, if we can spin them around, they have the same plug design, so everything is simple plug and play. All we got to do is upgrade the halogen bulb that came with this housing to a nice new LED. Let's show you what we're working with on that. Alright, for today we're using the Aleo LEDs. They're the same as the 2 Auto and Light Moses that we've seen a number of times on the channel. These ones just happened to have been on sale at the time and came with an extra set of 194 type bulbs. There, you see, they have the 8-sided CSP chips, and installation in the housing is super simple. All we have to do is pop off this rubber housing here, disconnect the electrical connector, unhook the retaining spring, pull the old bulb out. We'll take the new bulb and pull off the adapter base plate. I'm going to set the new bulb down. Swing the retainer out of the way. Lower this in the same orientation it was originally with the other halogen bulb. And then close the retaining spring plate. If I could get my fingers to cooperate. There we go, nice and secure. The new bulb simply presses into place. It's retained with 2 O-rings. See, we have the large cooling fan on the back. And then we'll just take our electrical connector, if I could coordinate my fingers. Figure out which side is positive and which side is negative. They're labeled there. And coordinate with the colors of the wires on the connector. Now all we have to do is get this inside the housing where it's out of the way, and seal it back up with the rubber cap. Done and done. Let's install this back into the car. Alright, I didn't show the reinstallation. Obviously it was just 2 screws. Swung over to this side, did the same thing, and now they are gorgeous. This is a great holiday upgrade for my brother-in-law, and I'll put links to the bulbs and the headlight assemblies if you have a Focus as well. But that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this quick upgrade. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. And until next time, I'm James the Light Guy.